Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a powerful topic that shaped not only the United States, but also the entire world: the legacy of freedom. From the fight for independence to civil rights and democratic ideals, America's influence has crossed borders and inspired nations. So, how has America changed the world with its unique commitment to freedom? Let's take a look. The birth of a nation. Our story begins in 1776, when 13 colonies declared independence from British rule. The American Revolution was about more than just breaking free. It was a bold statement that government should be based on the will of the people, not on hereditary rule. The Declaration of Independence, authored by Thomas Jefferson, boldly declared, "All men are created equal." Although not perfect at the time, it established a foundation for the pursuit of freedom and justice, setting a new precedent that other countries would soon follow. America's success in gaining independence sent a powerful message around the world. The idea that ordinary people could overthrow a monarchy and establish their own government inspired countless revolutions and independence movements. From the French Revolution in 1789 to the struggles for independence in Latin America and beyond. The U.S. Constitution and Bill of Rights. After gaining independence, America continued to influence global ideas about freedom by crafting the U.S. Constitution in 1787. This document became a blueprint for democratic governance. But it wasn't just a set of rules, it included a system of checks and balances that helped to prevent tyranny. Shortly after, the Bill of Rights was added, guaranteeing freedoms like speech, religion, and press. These principles spread worldwide, inspiring other countries to adopt similar constitutions and protect individual freedoms. Today, the concept of a constitutionally protected democracy is widely respected and is seen as a standard for a fair and just government. Civil rights and social movements. America's history isn't without struggle. For a long time, the freedoms laid out in the Declaration and Constitution weren't available to all Americans. But each movement for equality strengthened America's legacy of freedom. Abolitionists fought for the end of slavery, leading to the Emancipation Proclamation in 1863 and the 13th Amendment. Fast forward to the 20th century, when the Civil Rights Movement took center stage. Leaders like Martin Luther King Jr., Rosa Parks, and countless others inspired millions as they fought for equal rights for African Americans. The Civil Rights Act of 1964 and Voting Rights Act of 1965 became landmarks for equality not only in the U.S., but for oppressed groups around the world. America and World War II, defending freedom. America's role in defending freedom reached new heights during World War II. As Nazi Germany and Imperial Japan threatened democratic nations across Europe and Asia, America joined the fight. The D-Day invasion in 1944 and the eventual victory over Axis powers helped to safeguard democracy and prevent totalitarianism from spreading worldwide. Following the war, America helped rebuild Europe through the Marshall Plan, providing over $12 billion in aid to stabilize economies and promote peace. This act not only restored hope but also reinforced America's commitment to a world where freedom and opportunity could thrive. Cold War, the battle of ideologies. After World War II, the United States found itself in a new struggle, the Cold War against the Soviet Union. The ideological battle between democracy and communism pushed America to advocate for freedom and human rights around the globe. This wasn't just a military standoff, it was a cultural and economic struggle to prove which system could provide a better life. From supporting democratic uprisings to funding education and exchange programs, America promoted the ideals of freedom and prosperity as a counter to communism. When the Berlin Wall fell in 1989, the world saw it as a victory for freedom and a testament to the power of democratic values. Technology, science, and cultural influence. America's influence on freedom isn't limited to politics. Through technology, science, and culture, the U.S. has impacted the lives of billions. The space race led to groundbreaking discoveries, symbolizing freedom of exploration. American inventions like the internet, personal computers, and social media revolutionized how people connect, share ideas, and access information. This spread of technology enabled people worldwide to advocate for freedom and democracy. Hollywood, music, and American media have also played a huge role in spreading American ideals globally. Movies, music, and television highlighted stories of personal freedom and opportunity, capturing the world's imagination and inspiring generations to pursue their dreams. America's continuing legacy of freedom. Today, America's legacy of freedom continues to inspire. From humanitarian aid to championing human rights, America plays an ongoing role in supporting the freedom of people everywhere. Although not without challenges, the ideals of liberty, equality, and opportunity remain powerful forces both in the U.S. and across the globe. Whether through diplomacy, culture, or grassroots movements, America's commitment to freedom serves as a beacon of hope for those still fighting for it. The legacy of freedom is a work in progress, and each generation continues the journey started by the Founding Fathers. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of America's legacy of freedom. It's a legacy that reminds us that the fight for liberty and justice is ongoing, a story still being written. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a like, subscribe for more historical deep dives, and let us know in the comments what freedom means to you. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and take care.